Hey guys, today I will be unboxing the Fovitec StudioPro Softbox lighting kit with 1000 watts of total output. Okay, now this Studio Pro kit that I have here includes the stand, the softbox, the socket head, and 545-watt light bulbs. So this is the kit that I ordered here. Now let's open it up and see what they have inside for me. You can already see here, these are the you get a shot of this here, the 45-watt photofluorescent spiral daylight light bulbs. There they are, and these are included with my kit here. Okay. Now, get the rest of the boxes out of here. So, I have 5 in total, you guys can see. And this right here is the soft box. Think about this plastic here, and it's in its own little bag or little case. Okay, there you go. And these are the rods for when you put the soft box together. They have the rods here for the setup. And I will be doing a separate video for how to set up this Studio Pro kit here. And this is the rest of the material here. Let me get this here. Okay, now we have, and let me take this out of the bag so you guys can see it. Now we have here, you can see this here. This is their inner diffuser. This is what it is. This is the inner light diffuser here. And this is the outer diffuser, the one with the white and black pattern on it here. This is the outer diffuser. And this is the soft box. This is what this is. It's a little wide, so you can get a really good shot of it. But this is its soft box here. And this is the stand. Because my kit comes with the stand included. This is the stand here. Alright, let's see what I have in this last box. This is the socket head here. Where all 5 bulbs get installed, as you guys can see, and where it mounts onto the stand, that's included. Then you can see the rear here with the switches that control your lights, and there were the power plugs in the rear. Okay. And this is our power cable. It's a pretty long cable. And that's everything that's excluded with this Studio Pro light kit. Okay. Now don't forget your quick start guide. But I will be making a video of how to assemble this unit, so that will be the next video right after this video. Okay, so stay tuned for that. And as always, I thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope it's helpful for you. Bye bye.